Hey everyone! Today, I'm super excited because I'm going to share with you how to master the art of making a flan tart right in your own kitchen. This isn't just any dessert, it's a creamy caramel delight that's sure to impress at any dinner party or just brighten up your weekend. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk ingredients. You'll need sugar, eggs, milk, and a touch of vanilla extract. Simple, right? Now the magic begins with the caramel. In a saucepan, you'll want to melt the sugar until it becomes a beautiful golden brown. Don't rush this step. Good caramel is the heart of a perfect flan tart. Once your caramel is ready, carefully pour it into the bottom of your tart pan. Be quick, but careful. Caramel sets fast and it's hot. Next, let's mix up the flan. In a bowl, beat your eggs and then mix in the milk and vanilla extract. This mixture is going to create that silky custard texture that makes flan so irresistible. Once it's smooth, pour it over the caramel in the tart pan. Now, we're ready to bake. You'll want to place your tart pan into a larger baking dish and fill the dish with hot water halfway up the sides of the tart pan. This water bath technique helps cook the flan evenly, giving it that perfect consistency without burning the top or edges. Pop it into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 50 minutes. You'll know it's done when the center is just set but still a little jiggly. After baking, let it cool, then refrigerate for at least 4 hours. This waiting might be the hardest part, but trust me, it's worth it. To serve, run a knife around the edges of the tart pan to loosen the flan, then place a large plate over the pan and flip it. You should be greeted by a stunning flan tart, its caramel sauce gloriously topping the creamy custard. And there you have it. Slice it up and enjoy the fruits of your labor. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to make a flan tart. It's such a rewarding treat to make and even more delightful to eat. Give it a try and let me know how it turns out for you. Happy cooking and see you next time.